Welcome back to another episode of Jay's Kitchen. Today, Seren is gonna come down and cut some vegetables with us. No, she's not. I wish. That'd be awesome. You see all this? I'm just gonna cut all this for you. I'm just gonna show you how I like to cut stuff. You know, maybe you can learn something. Maybe you can say I'm a fool. Let's get started. Like we always do. Oh my god. I'm just gonna grab a strawberry. What about you, babe? What are you taking? What's your poison?
A mang.
Oh, a mang. Oh shit. Okay.
No, I want the green one. Never mind. I lied.
The lime.
Oh,
that is a completely different color. How would you get that mang confused with the lime?
I don't know. It's like lemonade.
All right, that's fine. You know me. I'm gonna. Oh, you know, I forgot something. Oh. My cup.
It's a glass.
Oh, what the? Ooh. You know, I'm feeling a little frisky today, so I decided to go with this today instead of the typical beers that I go with. I'm keeping it fresh. I like to keep things fresh.
Well, somebody's trying to.
So look at all these fresh veggies.
On you.
What? Taz, remember, we're staying away from over there. We're just right here.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Lou.
Oh, he's pretty tired.
Spud and I go a long way. Crystal's fave. Let's see here. How would we like to do it? Most of the times, have it. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna dice it. Any size you want. Maybe want to keep it a little bit more cubed. And just, you want to make French fries, dude? You all seen me do that before. And now you got a nakey spud.
Like half moons.
Half moons?
Very thin.
Very thin? Okay, fine, look. Not thin? Not thin enough for you?
Oh my God.
That's a potato. That's a spud. Did I just spill on myself? Anyways, a bell pepper. It's a difficult one. There's a lot of different ways to do it. What's the best way to do it? I'll show you two ways that I've seen people do it. And you can use the whole thing. Minus the little green part there. Completely in half, right? Take out your little middle part there. Or, cut the top off, and you got that. What do you choose? What do you do? If you do it this way, you can just dice up this little section. You know what I mean? I like to flip this side over. It's a little easier. You can actually keep it sliced, or you just move it, just let it to the side, very gently, so you don't cut a finger. So this way, you got a little bit of that top still. You can still slice it, but now you have like that bell pepper look. Like, wow, dude, where'd you go?
Applebee's.
Look at that. I mean, you could do the same thing. You could do little like julienne cuts.
Who's that?
Julianne?
Who the fuck is that?
Don't worry about her. What I learned in school, I mean, I'm just going to give you a visual here. You mean I don't necessarily have to do this, but this is like how they kind of wanted it to look a little. You kind of just take off that first layer, so it just looks nice and shiny. I mean, so then when you do like sliced veggies for like a plate, little like a cheese meat, maybe a charcuterie plate there, you mean? It kind of looks a little nicer. That's it. That's bell pepper. Next, move on to the carrots. Because this is a difficult one, I feel. And I'll show you specifically why I think it's difficult. I was taught to do this. They were like, I want to get a perfect square diced and sliced. And they call that a brunoise. So I was like, You want a perfect square? Ugh, so hard. So what I like to do is, once you slice there, you got a base. So this thing ain't, rolling around. Oh my gosh. Gonna cut a finger off like that. That's how people lose limbs. Gonna cut it again, then again. Look at that. Now you got a little rectangle looking thing there. And so now this part is now just view. Now you got a square.
Why?
French people. That's why. So I just need to dice it for fried rice or something. Like I said, I'll take that first layer, but I'll try to make it the same length as I'm gonna cut all these other ones. But look at that. So all these, same. So now, I can lay these down and cut them comfortably. I'm kind of keeping my fingers away, so then when I keep it cutting, I'm moving my fingers back, and it keeps everything in place. That's it. Like I said, next video I'll cut all these just straight. I'll probably get more carrots, so it can just be like maybe 30 minutes. I'm gonna move on to celery. These little guys right here, they actually make beautiful garnish. No joke. I've garnished with these, and a lot of people don't even fucking know that they came from fucking celery. Stock. I'm just gonna cut this like if I'm working in the kitchen, because I'm just gonna make stock with this. You know what I mean? Just gonna do that. Use that for later. This one's hard. Another one, like I said, it's not straight. You know what I mean? You could just fucking smash it all sick and be like, it's straight now. But that's fucking. That's abuse. I don't need to do that. Sticks. I'd like to do just 3. It's like boom, boom, boom. You'll cut there, and you'll cut in between that. Boom. You can even cut that in half, and then cut that in half. And now, start doing that small dice that we did with those carrots. Now you got small dice. Could make it look real fancy. Point that towards Crystal there. Right? So with doing that, you can actually make them a little bit thicker too. To just, if you want to put them a dip. See what I mean? So they're dippable. Because this guy, come on, you're just going to dip them. Aww. That's it, guys. That's celery. We've sliced, we've diced. We've done a lot of things together. It's been nice. It's been a nice evening. I like it. We've been drinking, getting comfortable with each other now. I think we're ready to take it to the next level. Do you guys want to go steady? Really? Yes! I'm happy, guys. So next, on that note, I'm gonna move on to cucumber. This right here is an English cucumber. And you're like, wow, what? It's English. Did you go to England to get that? Yes. Yes, I did. With every other vegetable, you usually just kind of take the little tip off there. Slice it. Now you got a flat area. Hey, who? Hey, who? Come here. Let's see if he's gonna eat it. Wow. No? No? Alright, fine. Go to barking. Will you eat that? Oh. He's doing it, people. He likes it. Literally, if it's all oblong, make it straight. Work with it. These little guys, put a little cream cheese on there, a tidbit of smoked salmon, a little caper.
Holy shit.
I digress. We're slicing, we're not cooking. You want some of that?
Yeah, I do.
Well, you already took it, so why are you asking? You got slices there? Same concept with everything that we've done today. Now you got those, or you can just dice. Or, honestly, see this? Slice that. You know what? Just gonna go ahead and do this instead. going a little too fast for y'all. Stick action here, like you did with the bell pepper or the carrot. You're working with Mr. Roboto. Oh shit. You a Sticks fan? You a Sticks fan, who?
I wanted some circles with some snacks later.
Circles? Oh, I see.
Thanks.
Like, so something like that? Mm-hmm. See, same concept. You could put all those same toppings that I said earlier right on those. Or you could do this. And now you can fill it with stuff. Look at that, guys. And then this right here, go like that. Go like that. Now you got a snack for little guy and little half moons. But another cool little thing I like to do, I can work with this guy on the bias. So many ways to benefit. And honestly, I even forgot to even show you the one way that people mostly do it in sushi, but like roll stuff in that. It's amazing. Herbs. Nothing but the finest. Just gonna go ahead and pluck these real fast. You mean, they just say that the stem adds some nasty flavor. I mean, I don't know if I completely agree, but at the end of the day, it's taking time, showing a little bit of love to your food. So you take the time to pick out these little things. We're gonna go ahead and peel those too. Grows this way, right? Going up. So all you're gonna want to do is just pull down, and it takes everything off there. That was just some parsley, rosemary, and thyme. Bunch it all together. So then, you know, as I twist it, I kind of think of it as it like either the cucumber or the celery, because you know everything's going that way now. So then now you can get a dice, a somewhat dice out of your herbs. You know, I'm keeping my fingers straight up so I don't, you know, cut nothing. Done deal. It's time to get fruity. You peel it. That's it. That was basically it. You know, I mean, you could just peel it and then you could just eat it. You know, I'm just gonna use this little bad boy. And what I like to do is just kind of follow the edge there, and then I'm just gonna cut around. I mean, you can kind of see, and then at that point, I'll follow this part down. Following. It's taking me there. You know, it kind of just guides you with that round edge. I mean, you want to just take as little as, you know, the meat of the citrus there. Staying with that rounded motion. And at this point, what's really cool is it's called supreming. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut the little sections out. So now I have my little sections of Clementine, and this part right here, snack. So, you know, go the classic, or you can go the fancy. An apple a day makes you have to go to the doctor every day.
I don't think that's
an apple a day. Anyways, apples. We're doing it. You could have peeled the bad boy for this too, but...
Oh my god.
And then very carefully, and I'm just gonna kind of core it myself. Look at that. We cored it. And just created that flat surface like you would with the carrot and or whatever you're cutting. Did. You can make little slices that way. Or if you wanted to dice it, how to cut it like that, maybe cut a little bit more. Dice is right there. And at that point, you could either keep them like that, like sticks, or dice them. You can slice them this way. Why not? Stretch it on out. Bam. How about them apples, baby? This little succulent bastard. Oh, I love watermelon. Reminds me of my childhood. My dad would always be the one to make that first cut. So, you know, there's always the classic where you can just cut it that way. I mean, here, I'll just show you. You can have them that way. You know, everyone's like smiling, eating their fucking watermelon.
Oh my god, it's summertime. It's the best ever.
So, you mean, then there's that way. The old classic. Isn't that tell you, be like, oh my god, we're making watermelon. And I'm just gonna kind of just like, look at that. Look how high I'm going that.
Ooh.
Look at that. Isn't that sick?
Now that's a slice.
That's a slice. We sliced and diced a lot of stuff. Still got all our fingers. So we're just gonna build a little plate here. A little sharp cheddar. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just slowly build just a little platter here. Good to go. Got everything you need to add. Everything. So, enjoy with everything you've cut by hand. Good job, y'all.
Coming in, Seren. Come on, little kitty.
Oh, there's a baby goat there. Oh. Seren's debut was awesome.